Hello and welcome to this FortiADC's video on the NAT46 packet forwarding mode in Layer 4 deployment. FortiADC is Fortinet's application delivery controller solution that provides Layer 2, Layer 4, and Layer 7 load balancing, SSL offloading, application acceleration, web application security, global server load balancing, etc. In this session, we'll walk through NAT46 packet forwarding mode in Layer 4 deployment, how FortiADC processes traffic in this mode, the benefits it offers, and how to configure it effectively. In Layer 4 deployments, FortiADC is configured with a VIP that clients target instead of communicating directly with real servers. It inspects packets at the IP and TCP UDP header level, and depending on the forwarding mode, it can modify the destination and source IP addresses. This allows FortiADC to support flexible packet forwarding methods, including DNAT, full NAT, direct routing, NAT46, and tunneling, making it suitable for complex network topologies, NAT environments, and multi-subnet architectures where direct routing isn't feasible. NAT46 mode is used when IPv4 clients need to access IPv6 servers. FortiADC serves as a gateway to perform protocol translation between IPv6 and IPv4. This enables legacy IPv4-only clients to access modern IPv6 servers without requiring dual-stack deployment on those servers. In NAT46 mode, the client sends a packet to a virtual IP on FortiADC, which is an IPv4 address. FortiADC replaces the client IP with an IPv6 address selected from a NAT46 source pool. It also replaces the VIP with the IPv6 address of the real server. When FortiADC receives the response packet from the backend server, FortiADC looks up its NAT46 mapping table to determine the original IPv4 client IP that corresponds to the IPv6 destination address. It also restores the VIP as the source IP. As discussed, using the NAT46 packet forwarding mode offers several advantages. First, it enables clients using IPv4 to access services hosted on IPv6 only servers, without requiring any changes on the client side. Second, clients continue to resolve the domain to an IPv4 VIP. The translation is handled entirely on FortiADC, avoiding DNS-level dual-stack complexity. In addition to NAT46 mode, FortiADC supports full NAT, DNAT, direct routing, and tunneling modes to accommodate various network topology requirements. Watch the related videos for detailed explanations of each mode, and refer to the network architecture guide available on the FortiADC documentation page for further information. Thanks for watching.